Professional loggers use powerful chainsaws to fell massive trees, creating dramatic and impressive action scenes. Each cut showcases their skilled precision and finesse. Join us in exploring these top-notch performances in the video. In this captivating video from Strawberry Valley, California, a massive sugar pine, just over 100 years old, is expertly felled as part of a significant timber sale. The skilled lumberjacks demonstrate impressive technique and precision, especially with the strategic use of wedges to guide the towering tree's descent. It's fascinating to see how these wedges play a crucial role in directing the fall, showcasing both the power of nature and human ingenuity. Great job to the team for a smooth and successful operation. Wow, it's truly unbelievable to witness the scene of this giant monkey puzzle tree being taken down. The tree stands at 98 feet tall, yet he managed to control its fall to land exactly where he wanted, just a few feet away from the house. Truly nerves of steel. It's amazing to watch professionals work with such skill and precision. Even though he didn't shout timber, his accuracy and expertise are truly awe-inspiring. I'm so excited to see the planks from this giant tree. This video is a real reminder that this profession has its tiers, and he is a top-tier expert in his field. It's amazing to watch a skilled craftsman perform his job with such professionalism and remarkable skill. Truly an exciting and inspiring experience. It's impressive to witness the expert technique and appropriate equipment in this video. The Stihl MS 462 chainsaw truly demonstrated maximum efficiency in taking down the tree. The lumberjack utilized his skill and experience to handle the saw with precision, ensuring safety and effectiveness. The job was excellently executed, from the way he cut the base to controlling the direction of the fall. It's admirable to see such professionalism and care in every move. Fantastic. A job well done. Looking at the work in this video, I'm truly impressed by the skill and precision of the lumberjack. Taking down a red oak with such a large lean is no easy task. This requires an in-depth understanding of the tree's structure, precise cutting techniques, and decisiveness in every move. The work is truly commendable, and the final result showcases the professionalism and experience of the person executing it. A great victory and an outstanding performance.
It's helping him a little bit. Suck my ass.
It's amazing to witness the work of the lumberjacks in Indonesia using the assembled 070 chainsaw to take down mahogany trees. This video captures the process of felling mahogany trees on local residents' land. After the tree is felled with the saw, the lumberjack proceeds to cut the tree into 2 4-meter-long sections to be used as building materials for houses. What's commendable is that they only cut trees on residents' land and fully comply with government and international regulations to protect nature. The work is done with high skill and a sense of responsibility, truly admirable. The lumberjack first climbs the pine tree and uses a zip line to transfer all the branches to the wood chipper. Then he moves to the second tree, trims all the branches, and cuts the trunk into sections until it's short enough to bring down. The workflow proceeds smoothly and professionally, showcasing the lumberjack's remarkable skill and dexterity. This raw footage truly demonstrates the efficiency and top-notch skill in his work. This video provides a realistic view of the major mistakes and failures that professional lumberjacks have encountered over the past year. While it doesn't cover everything, it does highlight most of the notable situations. Sharing these moments not only shows humility and the ability to learn from mistakes, but also serves as a valuable lesson for everyone in the industry. It's commendable to see such transparency and a willingness to share experiences.